Hey, it's Todd with The Stop Shop. We just got in a physical sample from one of our customers that manufactures lawn mowing equipment, and they've asked us to reproduce this tube and make a run of them for them. So I thought today we'd take you through the process of reverse engineering a physical sample from one of our customers. We pull this out and we start measuring the straight sections throughout the tube. We'll continue this process all the way through to the end. This also gives us the developed length for our tube, so we know how long to cut it ahead of time before we make that first part. All right, we've taken our pre-cut length that we got from measuring the tube on the measuring arm. We went over, cut one piece, and what we like to do sometimes is pre-flare the tube, put the end form on it before we even bend it. So that's what we're gonna do here. This particular tube gets a double inverted flare per SAE J533. We'll show you what that looks like here on our flaring machine. We deburred the tube ahead of time, so we're ready to put a nice clean end into the machine. Get it ready. We get a nice, clean, inverted double flare. All right, we've got our pre-cut, pre-flared tube loaded in the machine and ready to bend. So we'll get started. Now we've got our tube here that's just come off. We'll take the original we measured and make a check to see how it matches out. As you can see, we've got a tube that appears by the eye to be a dead-on match. Of course, we're not going to take that. We're going to go take it back over to the measuring arm. And what we'll do is measure the tube we just made to make sure that it matches within the tolerances to the original part that we measured. After that, we'll go ahead and make our run of this part, add the end form to the opposite end, and have it ready for the customer. Thanks for watching today.